at Pikala Bikes. It is a new concept which is co-working space here, and then the other unit is more so bike tours, which then pays for educating Moroccan kids. I had a month to spare. It was either go back to Blackpool or try somewhere else. So yeah, move here for a month. It was a little bit of a shock originally. So I was getting charged for a lot of things, walking down the streets, and people are quite pushy. But yeah, now it's very much time to think, because I've taken away all the superficialness of being elsewhere in a metropolitan city. And yeah, super raw, really nice, very interesting time. They're the most lovely staff. It's very much a safe space for me to just come and get my work done. I've been here pretty much every day, besides weekends where I will go a bit further afield. But yeah, definitely come back.